Okay, this is the dog park. Let's go check out some of the dogs. All right, there we go.
Thank you. Good boy. Come on, Ziggy. Ziggy.
Look at this guy. Look at all these dogs. He's a cutie.
Come on, boy.
Look at how beautiful this dog. What kind of dog is that?
She's a Wheaten Terrier Schnauzer mix.
Wheaten Terrier.
Wheaten Terrier.
Wheaten Terrier. Cute dog.
And she's blind.
Oh, she's blind. Oh. You bring her here? How often do you bring her?
Every day.
Every day.
Except yesterday when it was raining.
Oh, okay. You don't mind if I film you
No,
while you...
that's fine.
Oh, okay. It's very interesting.
She's
How-
waiting for her papa.
Oh, how old is she?
She's 10.
10, okay. Wow, nice.
Her name's Kelsey.
Chelsea, huh?
Kelsey, over here. We're waiting.
How many dogs do you have?
One, and then my husband brings 3.
Oh, okay. That's your husband? Oh, okay, you just
They're not ours.
babysitting the neighbor's dog. Huh?
She's okay with it. Thank you. Come on, Maisie. Maisie. Maisie, here. Maisie. Come on. Get in here, May. This one's not mine. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. We're gonna find out how good of an idea this was or not.
Good luck.
You've been so good. Yeah.
Right here, Kelsey. Dad, you cannot.
Cooper, here.
There's more dogs entering.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Oh, look at this guy. Oh my God. Look at it.
Let's go this way. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Minute.
There's the Alaskan guy. Oh, look at here. Look who is here. He's... Look who is here. He just pooped. Look. Those are the Rockies, blue sky, Colorado. Okay, it's a wrap.